Driving under the influence, DUI, is the act of operating an automobile with impaired senses due to the intake of certain substances such as alcohol, illegal or controlled drugs or substances, etc. Every state has its own standards when it comes to what constitutes DUI, and so does insurance providers. Pundits put it this way: after the law has had a go at you for driving under the influence, next comes your insurer carrying a bigger stick. This article will discuss how DUI affects auto insurance as well as provide measures to limit the damage caused by DUI. What you need to know about the SR-22 form. The SR-22 is a form some DUI convicts have to fill out to attest to the having insurance coverage and or a bond, personal and public. Filing an SR-22 depends upon the type of and number of convictions as well as the specific circumstances involving a case. What this means is insurance becomes even more regulated both as to the fact of coverage and even the type of or extent of coverage depending on the seriousness and the number of conviction. Prior to filing the SR-22, an individual cannot take back possession of the plates and or the automobile in question or use any other automobile without facing the threat of another violation. High-risk insurance explained. Most individuals mistake SR-22 as the name or designation of high-risk, aka non-standard insurance coverage. This is not the case. SR-22 is the form that has to be filled out, whereas high-risk insurance is the required automobile coverage. Required means either by the court or the type of insurance a particular insurance provider allows for the person convicted of DUI. The figures: high-risk insurance rates. There are plenty of high-risk insurance providers in the market. Now, before availing of their services, you have to make sure that you are availing of the type of insurance required by your situation. Therefore, cross-reference the order of the court regarding the type of and amount of insurance and make sure you get quotes that are just right. Be wary of insurance providers that provide exorbitantly higher coverage than what is required by the order of the court or administrative body. Here are a few tips and techniques that would help you get the best coverage possible. 1. Do a local comparative website search of high-risk insurance provides. Comparative websites provide you with side-by-side data on the type as well as rate of insurance. List down your top picks. A dozen providers is a good way to start. 2. After getting your top picks, go to their websites one by one to ensure the provider is legitimate, has complete and up-to-date permits and meets the standards of the court order. 3. Contact customer support and ask more questions. Do this after knowing the exact rates and types as well as services provider to ensure you get the most out of the conversation. You are looking to buy car insurance coverage? Find most inexpensive auto insurance rates from agents and insurance companies in your state. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.